Hey guys, this is David with Fixed Dream Build, and today we're going to be working on the trailer, getting it painted and getting a few other things done on it. And we're going to move forward and try to get it all fixed. Probably not going to finish it in this video, but please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more with Fixed Dream Build. Hey guys, so we got it all painted and everything came out pretty good, I think. So I'm going to let it all dry and come back, in the morning and take a look at it. And I think it's gonna look pretty good. I mean, overall, for my first paint job with a air sprayer, I think it turned out pretty good. But all I can do is wait for it to dry, which is going to take about 24 hours because that oil-based paint takes a little longer to dry than most paints. So, but let's take a little close-up of the paint and I'll show you how it looks. So, as you can see, it's not too bad. Of course, being in the garage, there's some trash in it, and that's to be expected. So, and it's a trailer, so it's not going to be glass. But overall, it actually turned out really, really good. So, all we can do is wait and see how it looks when it dries. But, yeah. Got you upside down. Anyway, I got these things, I hung these things up because they, of course, they don't go on the actual trailer, they bolt to it. So I took them apart so I could paint them better. And then this piece of the winch actually connects to this. This is the little platform that the boat winch goes on top of it. And it bolts to that. So it actually turned out pretty good. So once everything dries, we'll see how it looks, but I'm satisfied with it. And for a boat trailer, it's a pretty good looking boat trailer. It's gonna look like a new boat trailer anyway. And I'm gonna get some new things like and some new a new winch and a new jack right there with a wheel on it, and make it look right. I might put some more pinstripes on the sides of it, and I'm looking to getting the stickers that say Stratos Bass Boat from a sticker store that makes stickers and vinyl stickers and stuff. That's going to be the best option for finding stickers and stuff like that, because buying them from Stratos or buying them from whoever owns Stratos now is expensive. So it's easier just to take a picture of it and have them made. But that's it. And next I'm gonna be putting the bumpers back on, and then putting on, you know, some other things like the pinstripe I was talking about and the stickers, and a new jack and a new winch and everything, bolting everything back together. And this is where the spare tire goes, so there'll be a spare tire in there with that matches the other tires, or I might just use one of the old tires and rims, because I actually got one of those looking pretty good. So anyway, so yeah, I'll let y'all know how it's going and keep you informed. Check back and see how it looks. Thanks, guys. Bye.